Well guys, today's the big day. We are stripping Tina because she's officially coming off the road. I am so excited. There was a lot to come off the car. Brian and I spent most of the day stripping everything off of her. Is it coming off?
Can you get me that red pair of dikes in the trunk, please?
Sure.
And polishing and what's holding this in?
I got all kinds of things to work on.
You do.
It was a busy day of stripping and cleaning and scrubbing and vacuuming. Everything came out of that car, so it's gonna look fantastic in the end. There were a few stains on the seats, but luckily I was able to get it all clean. All right, we ready to take the bumper off, Brian?
We're ready. You ready to see it?
I am.
Let's see what kind of surprises we got under here. Oh man, there it is.
Oh boy.
Oh, that's crunchy.
Oh yeah,
crunchy.
that one's rotted.
We have one good one, and I don't remember which side it was. Oh, your driver's side one looks great, other than it's got a little bend in it right
Yeah,
there
I
from
see
that
that.
wreck. But we can fix that. That's what we want. That piece is pretty good shape.
Yeah.
That one is disintegrated. Look, the
Yeah,
whole
there's
it's actually
nothing
not
left.
even connected over there.
I see that.
Crap. Well, we're just gonna have to see. I don't
Yep.
remember. I have to go dig those parts up to find them. But we'll strip this of its hardware pretty much, and
Okay.
yeah, it's just.
Yeah, that blows.
It's good enough though. It's a little. It's got crust on it, but it's not.
Okay.
It's good. It's
All
still
right.
going to be good.
Super.
Yeah. So, even though there's any collision damage back here,
Good.
I think it's the original bumper on it. I'll set you clean.
Yeah, that one's completely destroyed.
Dude, these pieces we need. Those little razor blades.
Oh.
Those are what hold it tight to there. That one's so good.
Got it.
Oh boy. Yeah, that is literally
Yeah.
nothing left of that.
Yep. Nothing.
I know. Well, let's go. Once I'm done stripping the hardware off of it, I'll go dig those pieces out and
See what we got.
just twist it around. I have to get a pair of bikes.
And there's me washing some more parts. Is it coming out?
Yeah, it's gonna.
There we go.
There it is.
Look at that. Those are my awesome owl spotting headlights.
Look, it even says eagle eyes on it.
No way.
Look.
I see that.
Can your
Huh.
camera see it?
I think so.
Eagle eyes.
Eagle eyes, yes.
Yeah, your owl eye headlight.
Yes. Those
Those are
headlights are so bright that I can spot owls in trees driving home at night. That's
They're
why I
just-
love them.
They're pointed up in the air and you love it. So
I do.
you like to blast them with your
Well, I like to
owl
see.
spotter lights, but
Yeah, I like to see.
they're ready for a cleaning and a sanding and a polishing and
Super.
yeah.
Well, thanks for taking those out, Brian.
Yeah, well, that's bumpers covers coming next.
I know.
20 years ago was the last time I did this
Mm-hmm.
because I did it to this car and it was smashed in the front. So all this shit was wrecked.
Yeah.
Yours is not wrecked.
Nope.
So I get to actually have the experience of taking a car apart that wasn't wrecked, which is great because
Yeah.
all the body lines line up. There's not much holding it on.
No?
It's just getting to it. Now once you get in there with a screwdriver, it's all is a little plastic.
Yeah, I
cap
can
with
see
a
it
screw
flex.
going through it like a plastic screw. The thing is, we've got lots of these in stock, so
Good.
you have to cut them off. You have to cut them off. There's no way it's gonna.
Yeah.
We probably have some spares from the stripping the other car.
From Bernie.
No, there wasn't. Bernie didn't have.
Oh, no, that burned in the
I
front.
didn't really take a lot of stuff off that car, like as far as plastic. There's nothing
Yeah.
in the engine compartment that was
Yeah, no, it was completely melted.
Totally. But he provided the wing for you.
He did.
You got your wang. So
Ooh, she's loose.
She's loose. Where's the other one at? Yeah. Looks like that. All right. Well, that's the ones I'm worried about because they're crunchy.
Yeah.
Oh man. You can't really heat them because it's the plastic bumper.
Right.
Come on, baby. Let me get something lubricant because I want these to come out right.
Yeah, we want no problems. Hopefully that does it.
It's called patience and a lot of back and forth so that it comes out.
Yeah.
I think that nut is welded to that bracket.
Oh,
it's crunchy.
Oh, I hear crunch.
It's crunching.
I know, I hear it.
Oh, it's snapped off.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well, we knew that was a possibility.
Well, you know what it is? It's only a bolt that goes through it. It's not like a... No, it'll be fine. It just broke the bolt. There's another one right here. I didn't see that one. I remember that turquoise one we got the bumper off of. That one was all rusted out right there too.
Yeah, I remember you talking about that.
Alright, so that's it. So that holds the bracket.
Okay.
Which will have to be removed because we're putting a, what do you call it on it? So we gotta get that guy yet.
Yep.
Oh man. Well, these are coming out without any drama.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, we're using a factory bumper. This is all going to line up beautifully when we put it back together.
I know, it's going to be easy.
The car wasn't crunched.
Nope.
That's huge.
It is.
Because that just ensures when we put everything back together, it's just going to like pretty much build itself.
Right.
Oh man, that's rusty. Well, it snapped off.
Yeah, that one too. Woo, there it goes.
So that's what holds it on. That's what holds the corner on. Oh shoot. See that? These corner pieces. Oh, that one's disintegrated. Look at that one.
It is.
We're gonna see if we can buy these.
Yeah, we'll see if we can get brackets.
There's nothing left of them.
No.
Crap. Yeah. Look at that. That razor blade that holds it onto the bumper.
Yeah.
Look at it. It's gone. The only thing holding it on is the freaking corner piece.
Wow.
Look at that. Yeah. Hope those screws come out for the little... Well, this one doesn't matter. Oh, yeah, we got to take the screws out. Those look like they're going to be a treat, too.
Yeah.
Nothing like rusty antique Korean car restorations.
That's right.
We're opening up a shop.
That's what we're doing.
Front bumper now.
Yep.
Well, we'll get by.
We will.
At least the things that it needs aren't expensive.
Right.
It's not like we're buying a bumper for a McLaren and
right.
we need a bumper bracket. It's like
yeah.
$3,000 for a bumper bracket. Hopefully we can find them. That'd be nice to get a set of those.
Yeah.
We'll just buy a new set for the front and the rear.
Right.
That when we put it back together, everything's just going to be
it's
phenomenal.
new. All right.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun.
That was fun. All right. Ready to see the fender come off yet?
I am, yes.
All right. Should. Did I get it?
I'm ready, Brian.
Now
There
that's
it is.
YouTube excitement, huh?
Yeah, totally.
Taking off a factory fender.
Uh-huh.
Tell you what, once you grab a hold of this thing and you see the different, just with it, it's missing a piece.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, now you got something to compare it to.
Right.
Just by picking it up, I think you're gonna notice the difference.
Yeah, I'm sure I will.
We gotta rob one little clip out of that. But
okay.
That,
wow.
That doesn't give you hardware.
No.
If we could have found a nice bottom piece, we probably could have spliced it, but yeah.
Yeah, they were all rotted.
Every one of them.
Look at that.
Yeah, there you go. Boy, it's gonna be so nice looking.
I know.
It's such a crud mobile. It's such a crud, so cruddy right now.
I know, but it won't be.
Just cleaning.
Won't be forever.
we got the correct fender that's like a quality fender, we'll be able to hang it right back on there again, and it'll look like $1 million.
Yes.
It's
Super.
a shame that fender was rusted at the bottom, because otherwise it was a couple little dents in it. It was in good shape.
I know.
But you can't buy a patch panel for that.
No.
It's not like a 57 Chevy where you can buy every single piece of metal for it.
Right.
Nobody's running out and restoring Hyundai Elantras right now.
No.
So market's low. Just getting a damn Kappa fender is going to be a hee-haw.
I know. Look at all these finished parts. All cleaned and spiffy and ready to go. It's so exciting. Got the stain out of that seat. I don't know what that was, but I got it clean. And there she is. Yeah, we got the trunk realigned, so now that closes better.
Looks like it's getting parted out.
It does. Yep.
One small step for Gail. One giant leap for pretty
Hyundai Elantras. Cool.